What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today I'm going for a photo shoot. So usually I'm always the one behind the camera, but today it's something different. I'm gonna be in front. I'm not talking about the vlogging part. Vlogging part, I'm always in front of the camera. Alright, lunch. So you won't believe me if I tell you this is the 6th time that I'm having this noodle. Nanji to. They also call it the dry laksa, but it's totally different. No coconut, nothing, but this is my go-to Burmese dish of all time. Nanji to. Let's go. Six times, 7 times, 8 times. I can eat this every day. Currently making my way to stadium. Yeah, this photo shoot is gonna be at the stadium on the track. It's gonna be fun. Meeting June later as well. He's part of the photo shoot as well. I'm just gassing out over here because I'm carrying all the gear and it's pretty heavy. I came out through the wrong exit. So freaking bright. Anyway, I definitely need to do a video on what's in my backpack because it's crazy the amount of things that I carry for every shoot. Alright, 20 minutes late. Nah, kidding. Cameraman for today. Okay, let's go shoot. I'm vlogging as well. Actor, the main lead for today. June.
It's me.
Alright, take two.
4 by 400, and then I'll say 8 by 200.
Okay.
Because 2 by 200 is just like what the
Too
fuck?
short.
Yeah.
Alright. June, for this shot, right, the longer you take to explain, the hotter it will be. Because we'll be in the sun. All yours, yeah?
It's a classic bonus.
Then your pure ba? I think it will be better. The Cho Harley is about to start running, so I'm gonna change dry fit. What was that about? The photo shoot is over. The photo shoot is over. Now the real run. we have a new guy joining.
Yep.
Hello.
Hello. And same old.
Same old. Hey.
Same old involved.
Yes. Let's go.
Legends don't need introductions.
Yes! I'm not sure if this mic will capture that, but he said, legends don't need introductions. Woo! Woo!
Like how hard my heart can go, but my legs can't keep up, you know.
Yeah.
There's like soreness, lactic acid buildup. So I need to do more like more movement and faster movement because I'm so used to going really slow for really long. I'm not so used to going really fast for short distances, so it makes me like slower. So and then the muscle I cannot take that much.
Not bad, not bad. Come on, bro, let's do one more. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. One more.
One last one. Let's get
We're supposed to end it, but let's go. Yes. Oh, sorry.
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 Give me like a
Okay, bro.
I told you.
Okay, bro, we catch him. That's the reaction I want.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
Oh my god.
The incredible shoes with carbon plate. Kidding.
You do us the favor and then recommend one. We'll do Tuesday.
Bro, say that again.
I belong there.
Bro, say that again. What? With that accent. Same accent.
Let's help me decide.
Ooh. He too so sweet. He cut his half for you.
He take half of
Damn.
That's why he's my emotional pillar. I can always count it.
Kimchi gochujang. Let's go. That is the expensive version of our instant noodle. Korean instant noodle. There you go.
How is this one?
Come on, man. What are your thoughts on the new wine? Boom.
I prefer the earlier version.
Yeah, that was our last bottle.
Damn.
This one.
Okay?
喺度見到我當時話有渣男嘅。
You know,
Oh yeah. Muy fun. Get an extra.
That is it, guys. Wow. Rebel. Let me say, I think their wine is pretty good. I'm not a huge wine drinker, but their recommendation is just incredible. So it was pretty good. Anyway, the shoot went incredibly well, and we are starting a movement. I would say, I wouldn't want to say clothing brand. It's a movement. It's a cult. It's a team. It's an organization where we are gonna motivate, inspire a lot of people, a lot of Burmese people. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Coming up with this, brand. I'll share more with you guys, in the upcoming videos. But yeah, it's fun. It's fun. Anyway, that's it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. I'll see you guys in the next vlog.